and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Poshglad Wig, and they sent me this braided wig. Honestly, this is different, a very different type of braided wig, but I really enjoyed putting this wig together. The accessories that I got, these are from Amazon. The earrings are from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description box so you guys can purchase it. The wig itself will also be linked down below in the description box. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the installation and like the styling of this wig.
They say conversation, rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. I know you what you want. Oh, I got this, put it in the song, alright.
You guessed it, yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it, you can tell your friends about it. About it, tell them about it. wishing you was with me, living life so chill. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the low. Come tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight.
Okay guys, so the wig is done. It's on my head. Did my makeup. It's not too bad with the makeup, but honestly it's not a wig that I would actually say I'm going outside to go buy right now, but it's not too bad. Like, it's not too bad. After putting on my makeup, I feel like it's not too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try doing some accessories that's going to be over the top in a way to kind of like give this wig a complete vibes and just be done with it, because might as well just go out and done. So we're going to start with the necklace. I don't have to take off these because these will, we're getting somewhere. Okay, I might have to take this off though, or like just hide them. I don't want to take them off, I'll just hide them. But like, let me go, I'll get somebody to close this for me and then I'll be back.
We know advance, give my nigga a chance. I see what he gon' do, get it rid of the mess. I shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head to flow. I already did the post. Niggas too scared to go. I feel like hands or so. Get a beat, let it drag on the flow. And none of the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I feel like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. A tsunami and storm. I say flowers, they are born. But these hoes like it's born. I get higher than the odds born. I can count just a thorn. Getting money is so important. You thought I was done. I can go on and on. The cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn.
So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I literally had fun creating this look. At first, trust me, when I just saw this wig, I was just like, no, I'm like, when I just saw the wig, I was like, ooh, yeah, like I want to try it. Then when the wig came, I tried it on my head. I was like, I'm going to regret this. But I feel like with the accessories and like the red lips, it kind of like brought out everything in the wig. So I really enjoyed putting this look together. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. The link to the wig will be down in the description box if you guys would love to, like, you know, just to be creative at one point, you know, because I don't think this is like an everyday wig, to be honest. But you never know, you never know. Some people like it, some people like wigs like these for everyday wigs. I wouldn't wear it for an everyday wig, but it's something different. It is something different. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.